My name is Shivaraj Yewale.
My name is Mahesh Bhosale.
My name is Sanket Kakade.
I would like to thank our school president, Mr. Tambi sir.
I would like to I would like to thank school headmaster Mr.
I would like to class teacher Sarika Miss.
I would also like to thank our math project organizer Sunil Kholase sir. My project name is cube machine. The cube machine is the working. There is number and there is cube. The cube there is a pipe. The circle pipe rotate the number and cube are increased like this. The number is 5. The number is 5 and the cube is 125. Like this is all number is 10. 10 numbers and 10 cube. Like there only to 10. There is only 10 cube. There are only 10 cube. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.